Hey everybody, so my name's Christian. I thought it would be kind of cool to start a channel to show all the little handyman work you have to do as a husband. Just because I enjoy it, I think it's fun having your own little space to where you can work and improve all the time. So right now I'm working on our main water line for our little trailer broke. So I'm gonna try and fix that and I'll take y'all along with me. Let's go. Okay, so the primer is done drying. Now we're gonna put the glue on. So go around the pipe first. Be careful not to get it dirty. It's hard, but it's possible. Oop, that don't focus. Yeah, be careful not to get this glue on your hand if you do this, because it will eat you up. Okay, now just let that glue. Alright, so now we gotta find the distance from the inside of this where it stops to the inside of this male adapter. So, we got about pretty much exactly an inch right there. And then we got, I guess, exactly an inch. Okay, so guess we'll make it 2 inches. PVC. Didn't bring a marker with me. Yes, I did, but I didn't. So we will measure out 2 inches. Right here. Got all my fingernails. And we'll cut it out. And make sure you do it straight, obviously. So I'm a bad cameraman. Okay. There you go, you got your piece to go in between here. So I'm going to prime this piece and the male adapter first. Actually, never mind, I'm going to prime Union first, because that's pretty stationary and I got plenty of room to move around with this. So, and I'm probably going to edit out all my talking because I sound stupid, but here we go. that dry. Now let's get this one. Alright, now we just wait for it to dry. Alright, so the primer's pretty much dry now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the union. And I believe you gotta have the union loose because it's there to pour your pipes together. That way you know it's tight. So. It shouldn't go nowhere. I hope so. Okay, it's in. You kind of just have to hold it, make sure it don't push out. It don't take long to dry, so it doesn't take long to dry, whatever. Let's see, in and out, good stuff. Make sure it's good and coated, so it's good and clean. Lift this up. Okay, that's good. Alright, so primer's pretty much good. Yep, it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on it. Okay. You'll never have too much glue unless you have too much glue. More. Go around the other side. On the union side.
have it.